How to clear caches automatically on your Chrome browser. So in Chrome browser there is a option you can use in setting that when you close your window, your all Chrome caches and data will be clear, but sometimes it's not work. But I will show you the another method that you can use, and you can easily clear your caches automatically. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the Chrome browser first. So first I am going to show you the Chrome setting. Just open your Chrome, go to this three dot option, go to the settings. Under the setting you have to go in privacy and security. Under security, just go to the site setting here. Under site setting, just scroll down and go to the cookies and site data. So here you will have option that clear the cookies and site data when you close the all windows. Okay, so it will be applicable only when you close all windows. So you need to just enable it, and when you close all window, the your all cookies and site data like caches will be clear automatically. But sometimes it's not work for history and maybe caches. So if it is not work, so I will show you the another option, which is web store. You have to just open the Chrome and type here web store. Then web store will be, the link will be come here, appear here, Chrome Google web store. Just open it. It is Google, it is like extension, maybe you know the extension used for the additional requirement on any on the Chrome browser. So there is a lots of extension you can use as per your requirement. So now we need to clear the caches only. So there is a lots of extension. I use this one. Just search caches here, caches cleaner, and you will have lots of extension here. So I use this one. I'll show you. I use this, show you the name, the clear history and cookies. So you can search here clear history and cookies. You can search by this name, clear caches for Chrome, and this will become here. So you can see there is a lots of user using this. Just click to add to Chrome. After add, you have to just click on puzzle icon. After you add this, the one file will be downloaded and it will be add automatically here. So then you need to just click on this puzzle icon. You will find this extension. You will find your all extension here which you have installed. So newly installed you will find here, and you have to pin it. Okay, so when you pin it, it will be come up and you can easily use this. So now if you want to clear the history, or you have to just setting it, just go there, click on it and go to the settings, and here you have to go in clean option. And if you want to delete only caches, then just disable all and only enable the caches, or you can enable everything what you want. Okay, then go to the time range. So if you want to just uh, enable for all time, it is time range. Or if you want to only clear the caches or history for last 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, so according your requirements you can select the time range. So I select the 30 minutes. Okay, or you can enable everything. Okay, so now, so here when you want, when you done your work, and when you want to clear the caches for particular website, you need to click on this icon and need to click on clear data. Okay, you have to just hit the clear data or hit the enter. Okay, so there is no any option to automatic caches cleaner, because it is unsecure for you. Because when you work on any website, or when you select the automatic caches, automatic cleaner caches, then maybe you will lose your connection or login details, everything, because it will be automatically cleaner after 5 minutes or 5 seconds. Okay, so every extension has this setting. You need to manually click here and have to clear the data manually. Okay, so you can select the time range and your requirement one time only, but you have to just clean the data by clicking on this option. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.